Welcome to Timeless Sparks, where legends live on and stories ignite the soul. Tonight, our journey carries us deep into the heart of ancient Persia, a world of kings and heroes, of shining palaces and the shadow of fate. Here, beneath the vast dome of the sky, the warriors' clash is as old as time, and destinies are spun by hands unseen. Among the sweeping tales of the Shahnameh, Ferdowsi's magnum opus, the lifeblood of Iranian storytelling, there lies a tragedy unlike any other. The tale of Rostam and Sohrab, a father and son, strangers to each other, fated to meet in the cruelest of all arenas. It begins, as so many epics do, with a hero, Rostam, the Lion of Iran. Unmatched in courage and power, his name alone brings hope to his people and dread to their enemies. A symbol of strength, yes, but also, unknowingly, the instrument of his own sorrow. Far to the north, in a distant land, a boy is born, Sohrab. He grows tall, swift, and clever, inheriting the bravery of his absent father, whom he has never known. Raised by a mother whose pride burns as bright as her love, Sohrab learns of his father in whispers, in legends spoken at dusk. The seed of longing is planted. Questions take root. Who am I? Whose blood runs in me? And where is the man they call Rostam? As war brews between nations, Sohrab, scarcely more than 16, answers the call. Armed with a restless spirit and sword, he leads his army toward the land of Iran, with hope not for conquest, but in secret to find his father and unite their destinies. It is the dream of youth, to meet the hero, to stand beside him, not as enemy, but as kin. But the world is not moved by the dreams of youth. The world moves by allegiance and command. Rostam, meanwhile, is summoned to the fray. Duty binds him, unknown faces, nameless threats, the chaos of war. The years have made him cautious. The battlefield, his second home. When he enters the camp of the enemy to challenge its fiercest champion, he does not know that Sohrab stands before him. Nor does Sohrab know that his opponent is the father he so desperately seeks. The duel is inevitable. The crowd encircles them. The air thrums with breathless anticipation. Steel sings, a deadly music under the pale sun. Each man admires the other's strength. Each feels a strange resonance, something familiar in the rhythm, the fury, the glance of blade on blade. Father and son, joined in battle, yet divided by fate's unseen wall. Blow after blow, the advantage shifts. Sohrab seems nearly invincible, youth's hope lending him wings. Rostam, cunning and seasoned, meets him stroke for stroke, heart pounding with an inexplicable sorrow. At last, in a desperate reflex, Rostam finds the opening. His blade finds its mark. Sohrab, wounded, falls to the earth, the agony of the wound matched only by the ache of a life unfulfilled. And there, upon the broken ground of battle, Sohrab gasps for breath, calling for his father.
My father, Rostam, if only he could know or avenge me.
For the first time, a strange dread creeps into Rostam's heart.
Your name, young warrior? And who is your father?
I am Sohrab, my mother, Tahmine, told me my father is the hero. Rostam, this token, he would know it.
Recognition creeps in, cold as winter wind. The truth crashes upon Rostam with all the violence of war itself. He has killed his own son. Rostam, once the pillar of a nation, crumbles. His sorrow echoes through the ages. The tale asks, who is the true enemy? Not flesh and blood, but destiny, pride, and our own blindness. Rostam and Sohrab remind us, in fighting for causes, we must not lose sight of kinship. Listen before we raise our swords. Thank you for journeying with Timeless Sparks. Until our next tale, find compassion.